Good day. Thank you for calling Sunrise Hotel Manila. This is Willard Nava. How may I help you? Of course, sir. May I have your full name?
My name is Jeremy Perez.
Thank you, Mr. Perez. What date would you like to check in and how many nights will you be staying?
September 20, for 2 nights.
Noted. How many guests will be staying?
Just myself.
Perfect. Do you have any room reference or special request?
I think a standard room, please.
Got it. May I have your full contact number for confirmation?
Okay. Sir, 917-654-3210.
Thank you. So I have a reservation for Mr. Perez. Checking in on September 20 for 2 nights, 1 guest in a standard single room. Contact number 0917-654-3210. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Your reservation is confirmed at Sunrise Hotel Manila. We look forward to welcoming you, Mr. Perez. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.